Ladies and gentlemen, I am Daniella, Carla, Enteria, and under my leadership, we have Jen Francis Almonia, Vanessa Conel, and Cyril Roi Domantay. As we go through the process of creating this video presentation about attraction and repulsion, allow me to discuss the things we use in completing this project. We use 2 strings, 2 balloons, and a cloth for repulsion, and a gelatine, a balloon, and a hair for attraction. But wait! Before showing you the actual video, disclaimer first, do not do these experiments without proper guidance of your teachers and elders. And if you have to do this, remember to keep your work area tidy and mop up any spills on the floor, including water. Assume you are the lone safe working in the laboratory and report all accidents and harmful situations. Remember, always defend yourselves. Now, when I ask you if you're ready to watch, let me hear you say yes. All options, are you ready? Alright, without further ado, let us all watch our video presentation for the General Physics 2 midterm project. For our first experiment, we call this ballution, or shorter term for balloon repulsion. First, inflate the balloon. Then tie the strings on the tip of the balloon to tether it. Third, hang the strings in a holder. For some, you can hold the strings, but just make sure that you are not touching the balloon because the balloon will be attracted to you. Also, make sure that the balloons are not touching or close to any surface. Lastly, rub the balloon at the same time. You may ask someone for help to charge it. Both balloons are now negatively charged, thus repelling each other. For our second experiment, we call this Gelaloon attraction, a shorter term for gelatin balloon attraction. First, prepare the materials that will be needed, such as gelatin and balloon. Second, pour the gelatin content in a bowl. And after that, charge the bottom of the balloon by friction through rubbing it in a cloth or in your hair. Third, put the bottom of the balloon near the gelatin content. Lastly, the experiment is accomplished if the gelatin content is attached and attracted to the bottom of the balloon. You might be wondering about the reason behind attraction and repulsion. You know, when 2 magnetic poles are close to each other, they attract each other. When like poles are pushed together, they repel each other. Magnets works on the principle that like poles repel and dissimilar poles attract. The force of attraction is stronger than the force of repulsion because the closer the 2 items are, the stronger the force. When 2 items are attracted to each other, the force increases as they move closer. Yet, when they repel each other, the force weakens significantly due to the greater distance between the two objects. And that's all for our presentation. I hope you enjoyed it and you've gathered some information. Always remember that attraction and repulsion are like motion, where objects change its direction and position. Hence, here your action is very important solution to achieve a designated conduction or induction.